Time for the Intense 5. Let's go! So, CDC in the US has said that fully vaccinated persons don't need to wear masks whether indoors or outdoors. I'm still not too sure about that. So, the attorneys representing Movado's son has filed an appeal, and apparently a date will be set soon. But we'll definitely keep you posted. India is struggling with COVID cases. Numbers are high every single day. Ah boy, please guys, just pray for them. So, Skillibeng and upcoming artist Honey Milan were served with a cease and desist letter from a company right here in Jamaica. Apparently, the duo used the H&L Rapid True Value building and logo, right? So they were featured in the video Chopper Girl. Oh boy. The video has since been re-edited. Well, that's for Skilly. But on the brighter side of things, yeah, him collab remix for Crocodile Teeth with Nicki Minaj is actually real. So I guess he had a good and a bad week, but a bad and a good week. And finally holding the spot this week, you should even have guessed this, right? The huge shootout on Trafalgar Road between gunmen and police. What a piece of drama. No, sir. Big up though, and enough respect to the JCF, cause they put their lives on the line every single day. But job well done, guys. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.